The first sheet of drywall is adjacent to the installation. The second sheet has a size of 26 by 18. The label has been moved from the right pusher of the installation. We will make cuts on the adhered plate. You can also make cuts on the table. Trim the edges of the stickers to ensure that the label adheres properly. There are various types of drills similar to this one. We are going to carve this out. We can accommodate both rounded and right angles. If it's for domestication, we have a mark and begin cutting from there. Then we will perform the rounding. Be sure to dilute with water so that we don't damage the disc. We strive to maintain the machine at precisely 90 degrees. Each key variant has its own color. We cut the pieces. Now, we are going to proceed with the rounding. We have 3 variations of diamond burrs. We chose the smallest one. It can cut through 0.4, 0.5 millimeters. These diamonds are delicate. They may break, but if they do, you need to remove the remainder of the drill bit. We have equality. We need to take this disc now and polish it. Arrange it to make it appear as an appealing display. This tile is 0.9 millimeters thick, so we choose a longer side. We partially slice it, leaving the corners intact. The stove's knob secures it, preventing it from falling. We visited all the corners. Grind the disc so that we can have a balanced show. Visually, as you can observe, it presents a uniform display. It will be polished a bit more. Now we are going to tape this key down so that when we cut through corners, the button is intact. Now we trim everything off in the corners where we left it, ensuring it stays in place. And remove this button. We perfect all the imperfections we observe. We've cut it out, but the thickness of the seam is slightly greater on the seals, so we need to grind this part. When we envision a magnetic corner, it is indeed feasible. The stirrer needs to be polished. We attach the magnetic corners to the back of the tile as firmly as possible. Apply glue in such a way that there is a minimal layer between the two materials. After the adhesive has set, we trim it off. We fix everything. Check our button. Does it fit or does it obstruct? We also need to make them equivalent. Magnetic coils possess a spring that activates the magnet. We need to set up a saga to hash. Post in the tag.